3 elements of preventive maintenance. What tasks are necessary for PM? Scheduling PMS to fit in with parts or tools availability and a production schedule. How frequently should you perform these tasks to optimize maintenance of that asset? The necessary tasks can be determined by experienced maintenance personnel, or from following OEM guidelines. Likewise, collaborating with production schedules and parts or tools availability is simply a matter of good planning. The only thing left is to determine the frequency of these actions.